Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So here I come with another activity of decomposition reaction, that is electrolysis of water. In this activity we will take a plastic mug, then drill 2 holes at its base and fit rubber stoppers in these holes. After that, we will insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers and connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery. Then these electrodes are to be immersed in water with few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. After that, invert these 2 water-filled test tubes over the electrodes and switch on the circuit and left undisturbed for some time. After some time, carefully remove the test tubes completely filled with the gases. Now, bring a burning candle near the mouth of both the test tubes to test the gases. Then what would be observed? Some gas bubbles appear in both the test tubes, which indicates the presence of some gases in the test tube. Also, there is a rise in the level of water in both the test tubes to different extents. Means the volume of the gases are not same. Then the candle which we bring near the mouth of both the test tubes, the candle continues to burn in the presence of the gas coming from the first test tube. Means both the test tubes are having different gases. So in the first tube, the gas is oxygen, which allows the candle to burn, but in the second test tube the gas is hydrogen, which puts off the candle or extinguish the candle. So what would we learn from this activity? That hydrogen is the product which puts off the candle flame and it will produced in double volume than that of the oxygen, which allows the candle to burn. So this is the activity of decomposition reaction, in which we have shown the electrolysis of water or decomposition of water in the presence of electricity. So after the decomposition, what are the products? 2H2 and O2, means twice the volume of hydrogen than that of the oxygen. Now another activity of decomposition reaction is silver chloride or bromide in sunlight. Means now the decomposition will occur in the presence of sunlight. All these activities are given in your NCERT book. Now what we have to do in this activity? First we will take silver chloride in watch glass. Then we will place that watch glass under the sunlight for some time. After that, observe the color before also and after the reaction also. Then after some time, what would we observe? The color of the chemical changes, means some reaction has taken place. So what would we learn from this activity? That in this reaction, silver chloride decomposes under sunlight. Means this decomposition reaction requires sunlight for the decomposition process. So we will also call this reaction as photochemical reaction. First we have taken the silver chloride, or we can also take bromide. So the color of that produced in the form of gray color. So after the reaction, the silver which is produced in this reaction is gray in color. Then chloride is the second product which is liberated in the form of gas. So silver bromide also behaves in the same way. I have written here the reaction of silver chloride, but silver bromide also behaves in the same way. This reaction is used in black and white photography. So the reaction of silver chloride on decomposition gives 2Ag and Cl2. So these are the decomposed products. This is the activity of decomposition reaction. So now We have done decomposition reactions in three ways. What are these? First is thermal decomposition. In this, the reactant break down in the presence of heat. We have taken ferrous sulfate. In the presence of heat, it will break down into ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So it is in the presence of heat, that's why we call it as thermal decomposition. In the another next way, electrical decomposition means in the presence of electricity. We have taken water. It will decompose in the presence of electricity and produced twice of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So this is the example of electrical decomposition, means in the presence of electricity. In the third way, photochemical decomposition, which means in the presence of light. Photo means light. In this we have taken silver chloride, and in the presence of sunlight it will break down into silver and chlorine gas. So these are the three ways of decomposition reactions: thermal decomposition, electrical decomposition and photochemical decomposition.